Okay, so on the bench today we have one of these little LED work lights here that one of my friend's dads uses in his work truck, and it looks to me like he has smashed the living shit out of the charge port there. That's output, that's input to charge the battery. And I was digging through some parts there. I must have been using this for a project or something, but it looks like we have the right one here. The only thing that's concerning to me is the back of this and how they have that set up. Where is it here? Right there. So those are the those are the tabs, and it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think there should be, but the three in the center, I don't. They're not connected to anything. Those are definitely. Let's see if I can maybe turn that off so we don't get so much reflection. Let me see if I can get that locked in there. Probably not, because there's so much shit in the way. It wants to focus on everything but what it is. Right there. Yeah, I don't know exactly how. Can we not focus that in, please? See how those are not connected at all? Those are just floating in the breeze. Those pins. I don't know if they've got that. I'm not exactly sure how they've done that. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one, just so I can get a good look at what's going on with this. And then I'll remove this one here. It looks the same. It looks like the same port, but I'm not exactly sure how they've done that. But we'll see. Okay, I wish I could have shown more of that, but it was just so awkward to deal with. I actually had to retrofit it with, give me 2 seconds here. Let me remove this. With a USB mini. I had no choice because the original one that was in there, they don't sell them anymore unless I get it from China. And that'll take way, way, way too long to get here. So I actually retrofitted it with like I said, USB mini. And, well, as you can see, if I plug it in, it charges. And we do have functional light. And off. So yeah, that's that fixed. I will never do one of these again. These are not meant to be serviceable. They're not. Getting everything stuffed back into here, the battery, the charging board, the wiring, going through, because these are, how do I put this? They're hinged, right? So let me put you down here for a second. Of course, that's going to be right in your way. But as you can see, it's hinged so that you can open and, oops, open and close it and stand it up. And yeah, that's just a pain in the ass. That is definitely a pain in the ass. I will never do one of these again. I mean, was it worth the fix? No, but it was a friend of mine, so instead of having him go and buy a new one, he can use this until it totally fucking craps out on him. So that'll do it for this. I'll upload this, and then I think the next couple of vids we're going to get back into some arcade work here. So you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.